佢當時就寫咗呢句好著名嘅詩節啦，
this verse.
係呢個詩節嚟㗎。
After that, he spoke to Padmavati.
咁之後咧 ，Krishna 就同呢個 Padmavati 咁樣講啦。
This meanings, oh Radhe, you become sulky mood. So how can pray you? I am falling your feet. Please give me your lotus feet on my head.
咁呢個詩節嘅大意就係話咧，哦 Radhika， 你而家咧有呢個超然嘅真路啦，我點可以讓你平復落嚟咧？唯有方法咧，請你將你嘅蓮花燭放喺我頭頂上面咧，咁咧你咧就會咧係即係平復過嚟㗎啦。
At that time, Padmavati was very happy.
咁當時咧呢個 Jayadeva 嘅妻子 Padmavati 咧就好高興啦。
Also, Sri Krishna told in Jayadeva dress, "Oh Padda, I am very hungry. Give me some food. So I am eating first, then going to bath."
佢唔知呢個係佢嘅係唔係佢丈夫嚟㗎？咁佢 Krishna 同佢咁樣講，佢話咧：我而家好肚餓喎，不如你俾啲食物我食先啦。食咗啲嘢之後咧，我先至就走去河中沐浴㗎。
Then Padmavati brought some prasadam. Then he took prasad and he joked with her, gave prasadam already to her. Also he joked with her.
咁然之後呢個 Padmavati 就攞咗啲 prasadam 俾佢啦。咁佢食咗啲 prasadam 之後咧，仲同佢開下玩笑添㗎。
In this way he told, so I am going now. So later will come.
佢之後咧，佢就同佢咁樣講，同佢即係再啲個妻子咁樣講，佢話我而家要走啦，咁樣嚇，你遲下我先翻返嚟嘅。
In this way he go out. When he has gone out, at a time so Jayadeva Goswami came there.
好啦，到 Krishna 走咗之後嚟講咧，咁當時咧，佢真正嘅丈夫 Jayadeva Goswami 咧就翻返嚟咯就。
When Jayadeva Goswami came, then she was very surprised. What happened here?
咁然之後，當 Jayadeva 出現嘅時候咧 ，Padmavati 就好驚奇啦，點解做咩又翻嚟嘅你？
Then she asked to him, so you came, you write, you wrote, you told me, and you told, so I am very hungry, give me prasad, so you eat.
咁佢呢個妻子就同佢講啦，話你先頭翻嚟噶嘛，同我講咗一番説話之後咧，又話自己好肚餓啊，又食咗嘢咁樣等等。
So you are going now only 1 minute before.
你只係1分鐘之前你先啱出去啫嘛，
So how can come?
點解你又再翻嚟咧？
He told, no, I am not coming, not writing, not eating prasad, not joke with you. So everything false, you are cheating false. You are talking false.
咁咧呢個齋爹真正嘅齋爹就同個妻子咁樣講，佢話我冇翻過嚟，又冇食過嘢，又冇寫過嘢，亦都冇同你開玩笑，似乎你所講係假話嚟㗎。
No, she told, no, you came, you write, you hear me.
佢話咧冇，你真係翻過嚟啦，你寫啦，同埋你都聽我講嘢㗎。
That time Kavi Jayadev told, okay, I will see what is writing.
咁可能嗰時齋爹就話佢想檢查一下啦，佢話咧你話我寫過嘢，我聽我寫過啲咩嘢咁樣。
He has seen, he has doubt, but Sri Krishna came and he wrote this thing.
原來咧原因係因為呢個齋爹佢本身內心裏邊仲有若干嘅一個咁嘅懷疑喺度，因為咁要消除呢個懷疑咧 ，Krishna 自己親自嚟到咧，就將呢一個嘅詩節咧寫咗喺佢呢個咁樣嘅版本上面嘅。
He took prasad, already joke with her, so in this way she is very happy, very great fortune.
佢嘅妻子就真係覺得自己好幸運啦，因為能夠俾 prasad 同 Krishna 食啦，亦同埋開玩笑咁樣嘅，十分幸運。
So Kavi Jayadev Goswami fell in her feet.
咁佢嘅丈夫即係 Jayadeva Goswami 咧，就頂拜喺佢妻子嘅蓮花燭跟前嘅。
Prayed to her, so you are great fortune, so I cannot see what you have seen.
向佢咁樣祈禱，佢話：你真係幸運啊！你有咁大嘅幸運可以見到 Krishna， 但係我自己咧反而我見佢唔到。
So you are very lucky.
因此咧，你係非常嘅係幸運㗎。
In this way, Sri Krishna come in and give him darshan to devotees.
由此嘅時候咧，聖主 Krishna 到嚟咧，係俾佢啲奉獻者能夠緊見到佢。
Mahaprabhu's life, all Rup Sanatan, Kaviraj Goswami, our Guru Parampara line, all Goswamis, Guru Varga, everyone they have seen.
咁馬可波嘅生命裏邊啦，Rupa Goswami、Sanatana Goswami 啊、Jayadeva Goswami 啊，全係裏邊所有嘅靈性導師咧，佢哋全部都見過。
Sri Krishna come in, give him darshan, what you can do this way, he is giving all instructions.
Krishna 嚟到俾到佢哋緊見啦，同佢講，俾呢啲訓示，你可以做呢樣，你可以做嗰樣，俾佢哋訓示嘅。
So this is called a very easy process, Bhakti Yoga.
咁所以呢個叫做係非常之係容易嘅程序啦，純粹嘅奉愛瑜伽 Bhakti Yoga。
After then Kapil Dev told to Mata Devati, O Mata, many persons.
而家咧講翻《國家行第3篇啦，就係咧係 Kapurati 同佢母親地話 Huti 咁樣講，佢話媽媽呢個世上咧好多個人。
Lord Brahma created universe a body and he made everything all complete body. After then he put all souls.
咁然之後佢話咧呢個主 Brahma 喺呢宇宙裏邊啦，就造就咗各種唔同嘅身體啊，呢個唔同形式嘅身體，然之後喺個身體裏邊咧放啲靈魂入去。
Like in bus, so many people are sitting there, but bus is not running.
咁佢講到譬如雀鳥嚟講咧，有好多唔同嘅雀鳥嘅身體啦，咁啲即係有個人坐喺雀鳥群當中咧，雀鳥都冇飛咗去嘅喎。
Because bus is right and everyone sitting there, everyone waiting, bus going, but bus not going because no driver.
No driver.
No driver.
巴士啊，
巴士
唔係
巴士。
我嘅車巴士對唔住，唔好意思，我有雀鳥。佢話巴士嗰陣時咧冇司機嘅時候咧，巴士走唔到。
So no driver, who is driving there?
如果冇司機嘅時候，啲巴士點樣可以去行咧
So our body, we are living in this body, but this body is not working, not running.
所以咧，我哋呢個身體，我哋係住喺呢個身體裏邊，個身體本身咧係唔能夠喐嘅。
So who is driving this body?
係邊個咧嚟到咧係去駕駛呢個身體嘅咧？
There are super soul, he is sitting and he is driving our body.
喺裏邊咧係有超靈係響算係超靈咧嚟到駕駛我哋呢個身體。
Brahma made all body, everything and put soul, so everyone came here. After then, he prayed to super soul, Paramatma Sri Krishna, then he came, he sit, he is driving our body.
咁咧係 Brahma 就造就咗呢啲所有嘅身體啦、形象啦，就個靈魂放咗裏邊啦。然之後Brahma 係向主 Krishna 超靈祈禱，佢話你入嚟呢個身體啦 ，Krishna 入咗去之後咧，佢又駕駛呢個身體啦。
So we are thinking, we are doing, we are working, this is our false ego, but everything, who is giving energy, who is running?
咁所以咧，
Somebody.
我哋諗住咧，一切嘢係我哋自己去做嘅。其實咧，呢個係假我嚟㗎。但係真正嚟講，係邊個俾呢個能量咧，俾呢個力量咧，去做所有嘅嘢㗎咧？
Because he is driving our body, in this way this body working.
係因為佢去駕駛住我哋，操縱住我哋呢個身體。咁樣嘅時候咧，呢個身體咧先至能夠去運作嘅。
But now we forgot to him.
但係而家我哋忘記咗佢。
In this way we have problems, so many disturbance.
由此嘅時候，因為我哋忘記咗緣故咧，我哋好多個問題啦，好多個困擾。
Without super soul, we cannot leave this body.
冇咗超靈嘅時候咧，我哋唔能夠活喺呢個身體裏邊嘅。
So we have problems. So this body is one physical body, other subtle body.
咁我哋因為呢個身體有兩面嘅，一個係呢個粗糙嘅身體啦，另一個叫精微身體。
This body is 5 elements body. There are bones, meat, skin, blood, everything here.
咁呢個身體係由5種元素所組成㗎啦，分別有我哋啲肌肉啊、骨骼啊、即係糞便啊、尿液等等嘅嘢。
And 10 senses.
身體裏邊亦都有10種唔同嘅感官。
And inside have one subtle body. This is called mind, knowledge, false ego, and heart.
咁咧呢一個即係叫做裏邊嗰個精微身體咧，由我哋嘅心意啦、智慧啊、假我啊同埋心啊等等所組成嘅。
There are soul and super soul, both are living in this body.
咁呢個超靈同埋呢個個別靈魂咧，兩者都係住喺呢個身體裏邊。
Soul always getting fruit, result, happiness, unhappiness.
個靈魂經常都去品嚐到咧呢啲咁樣嘅成果嘅，分別以呢個快樂啦同埋痛苦嘅形式到嚟。
But super soul already still peace.
咁但係咧呢個超靈咧，經常係超然而處嘅，佢係好堅定嘅。
He has no problem, he has no doubt, no any desires.
呢個超靈咧係並冇咧呢個咁樣嘅係任何嘅懷疑啦、任何嘅問題啦，或者任何嘅呢個咁樣嘅慾望或者慾望。
Material life, we have attachment to body, mind and knowledge.
物質嘅生命嚟講咧，我哋依附咗自己嘅身體啊、心意啊同埋智慧。
By the ignorance, we are thinking, oh, I am body, I am taking sensing.
咁通過呢個假我嘅時候咧，我哋諗住我自己係呢個身體啦，同埋咧我要享受緊呢個感官嘅享樂。
But this is already ignorance.
但係呢個本身嚟講咧，已經係愚昧啦。
I am not body.
首先嚟講，我唔係身體，
Body is mine.
身體係屬於我嘅。
Head, hand, stomach, chest, back, legs, everything. My legs, my body, my head, my hand, my eyes, my face, everything always saying my.
我成日都係咁樣講，一切嘢都係我嘅，我嘅手腳頭啊，我嘅背部啊，我嘅眼睛啊等等，全部都用呢個我嘅呢個咁樣。
We are not saying I face, I am, body. We never say.
我哋只會話呢個係我嘅面孔、我嘅身體等等，我從都唔會話我身體或者我面咁樣，我唔係咁樣。
But always we have absurd mood. Oh, I am body. I am man. I am woman. I am young. I am old. I am senior. I am junior.
我哋經常都好多啲咁好投入嘅心水，覺得咧啊，我係男人，我係女人，我係長輩，我係晚輩等等等等。
So all are false ego, ignorance.
呢啲全部都係假，我都係愚昧嚟㗎。
In this way we have ignorance, so again, so in this way we are feeling happiness or unhappiness.
由此嘅時候咧，我哋呢個愚昧咧 again 啦，咁我哋就又從咁樣咧，咁經驗到咧快樂同埋痛苦。
Sometimes we are working fast and so many kinds we are thinking, oh, I'll be happy, I'll be great, I am rich.
咁有時候我哋覺得自己好辛勤工作啦，啊咁我咧就會咧係有錢啦，咁我會成為一個偉大嘅人物啦，我將會由咁樣係變得快樂。
But time of call, everything change.
但係時間嘅流逝咧，將一切去改變。
So there are, so always we are alas mood, weeping and unhappy.
咁樣嘅時候咧，我哋就會喺度喊啦，到最後嘅時候咧，我哋咧係唔開心啦。
So more trying, more thinking, more money, much money will come, will be happy, will be rich and everything successful.
我哋要諗住咧，如果我哋再努力啲啦，仲有揾多啲錢啊，再成功啲嘅話咧，咁你就會開心啦。
But one day old age already will come.
但係有一日咧，即係其實老年已經嚟緊㗎啦。
Strength, energy, everything will be lose.
所有你嘅體力、青春嚟講咧，全部咧都會消失。
Stomach already lose.
個胃都已經唔得㗎啦，而家都。
Cannot eat so much, cannot work, cannot do so any kind. So in this way, so many problems come.
唔食個，亦都唔可以食得太多嘢啦，亦都唔可以再工作啦。由此咁樣嘅時候咧，好多問題到嚟。
So Kapil Dev told Mata, so Vriddha Kinasa Iva Gojaram, like old cow, old bull. So all day past, no food, no water, nothing.
咁佢話咧，特別咧，同佢母親點樣講？仿似一隻老牛咁樣，牛到年紀老邁嘅時候嚟講咧，佢咩都做唔到㗎啦嚇，再唔能夠即係所謂不事生產㗎啦。
In this way, our life, when old age comes, that time big problems.
同樣就係咁樣啦。當我哋年紀老嘅時候咧，嗰個時候就好多問題㗎啦。
Already kantha ghrughrayate, coughing and too much problems, too much sick, many heart problems.
年紀老嘅時候嚟講咧，有時候會咳啦嚇，好多痰啦，又心臟問題啊，呢啲個問題嗰啲問題。
So in this way, if leave him house, then next generation, so they are saying, so why not dying? So it will be died, then house will be empty.
咁樣嘅時候咧，如果呢個老人家仲住喺呢個家中裏邊嘅時候咧，咁佢哋啲兒女佢哋就話：你老人家仲喺處，即係阻頭阻勢啊！你快啲死咗佢算啦。
Then at that time, so neglect mood, they are serve him, help him, but not so much.
咁咧嗰個時候咧，啲家人都已經好忽略佢哋，唔再理佢哋噶啦，即係咧，即係對佢哋好冷淡噶啦。
Also that time thinking my family, my children, my girls, my daughters.
到時嗰個老人家仍然咁樣諗啊，我嘅家庭啊，我兒子啊，我女兒啊等等。
All are mine, they are giving happiness, but nothing.
即係咧佢哋全部都係屬於我嘅。曾經何時咧俾過我好多歡樂，但係而家咧咩都冇啦。
After then, so big problems. Make so much money, but at last gone to jail.
佢話咧，即係咁樣就一生人揾咗好多錢翻嚟，但係到最後嚟講咧，即係乜都冇晒。
So many problems, so many hells in this life already feeling.
好多嘅係即係問題啦，健康嘅問題啊等等。
there are when old age, so will be very soon will be die.
年紀老嘅時候咧，好快就會死㗎啦。
Weeping for them.
因為咁嘅緣故喺度飲泣。
Also, all family relative they are coming and they are watching. Then they are also weeping.
好啦，啲親人見住呢個垂死嘅老人嘅時候啦，喺度亦都為佢而流淚啊。
That time could not speak, and any kind cannot say. So where is banking and bank money and everything? So cannot speak there.
咁嗰個時候咧，老人家嚟講咧，亦都連講嘢都講唔到啦，亦都交代唔到啦。我啲錢啊，放喺銀行邊度？呢啲咁嘅都唔能夠交代得到。
銀碼唔記得啦，收銀碼唔記得啦。
At that time already, Jamduta came.
咁到嗰個時候咧，啲閻羅王啲鬼差陰曹鬼卒佢哋嚟到啦。
Very fearful, dangerous body.
佢哋咧呢個面容咧係好令人驚怕㗎，一啲係好危險嘅人物嚟，極度危險嘅人物。
Then they are catching throat and taking subtle body.
咁佢哋咧就箍住佢嘅喉嚨啦，將佢呢個精微身體咧就扯出去㗎。
In this way, they are taking subtle body, going too fast.
咁佢哋咧好快就扯咗個精微身體出咗去啦。
Only 1.5 hours, they are going very fast. 99,000 yojans means million miles. They are going only 1.5 hours.
佢能夠喺個好短嘅時間，因為係精微身體圓攰咗個半小時咧，已經走到咧99乘100萬咁多嘅，再乘以8咁多個里咁遠，即係好多億遠。
So they are pulling and going fast like more than rocket.
咁佢哋咧將個靈魂扯咗上時候咧，好快過呢個咁嘅火箭嘅，佢速度好快嘅。
When they going, then stand there on near to Jam Maharaj. Then Jam Maharaj decide what is his life, what he did, and what is his punishment, everything. Happiness or punishment.
咁咧，佢哋帶到呢個閻羅王面前咧，就向佢咧係即係所謂即係蓋棺定論啦。一生嚟講咧，佢嘅成就功過啊等等，佢做過啲咩好事，邊啲壞事咁樣等等，就到時咧係向佢審判啊。
Also, there are giving so much big punishment.
同埋喺嗰度嘅時候咧，俾佢好多嘅懲罰嘅。
Souls always crying there, but feeling pain, but not die.
咁靈魂喺嗰時咧，感覺到好多痛苦啦，但係咧咁佢喺度喊，經常想喊啦，但係咧又死唔到嘅喎。
In this way, they are feeling hells.
由此嘅時候咧，佢哋感覺到呢個地獄啦。
Many persons already have good work, good things, good activities.
有啲人咧，佢哋一生做咗好多善事。
So they are going to moon planet.
佢哋就能，如果一生做善事咧，能夠可以去到咧呢個月亮呢個星球嘅。
One time I asked one brahmachari.
有一次我問咗一個精受生。
In our temple in Bengal Navadvip Dham.
喺呢個孟加拉響拉啲嗰個島度嗰個一間廟裏邊，一個精受生。
Then I asked him, so how you came?
我就問佢啦，你係點樣嚟到參加我哋呢個廟嘅咧？咁
Who gave inspiration so you came in temple?
邊個俾你呢個鼓舞咧，使到你嚟到呢個廟嘅咧？咁樣。
That time he spoke one story.
咁當時佢又講咗個故事俾我聽喎。
When he lived in his house, at that time he was high fever.
咁佢當自己屋企住喺家中裏邊嘅時候，有一次咧佢係發高燒嘅。
That time he is like lying means going death.
咁佢當時佢已經咧即係不省人事嘅啦，差唔多要死咁滯。
One day he found he had seen two Jamduta came and catch him at once, take up, so they are going.
有一日咧，佢真係見到陰曹鬼出嚟到咧，係即係箍住佢啦，帶佢走嘅。
Very forcefully took him, they are going.
咁佢哋真係好夾硬咁扯住佢走。
When he went to the near Jam Maharaj,
咁當佢去到咧就近咗呢個閻羅王面前嘅時候咧，
Jam Maharaj told, why you brought it to him?
佢哋咧閻羅王就問啲陰曹鬼出，佢話你點解帶佢嚟咧？
Because he has age, no finish now.
佢話咧呢個人咧嗰個嘅只係咩叫做話個壽元仲未盡嘅喎。
He has life so vital. Why brought here?
佢都仲未到期，點解你咁快帶佢嚟咧？咁樣時間未到，時辰未到。
Now return, so can go there.
咁啊俾佢翻去啦，翻去。
They told, so we don't know, so we had mistake because so he is lying, So we thought so he is going dead, so we attack him.
因住佢就話咧，佢話咧，我哋見佢瞓住喺樹，係我哋犯錯誤，我哋以為嘅事情已經到，因為咁樣如果拉咗佢翻嚟。
Also this Brahmachari told, so oh Maharaj, so here is very nice place, very beautiful, so I want to live here.
咁呢個精神生要同馬哈拉講嘅話咧，同時咧你個廟呢處咁靚嘅地方，因為咁樣如果我想住喺你呢度。
Then Jam Maharaj told, no, don't come again here.
閻羅王啊！
哦，閻羅王同嗰個馬哈拉。我一陰閻羅王同佢講，佢話咧你唔好翻嚟啦，你走。
And that time they took by force, they catch, and they came very soon, any other way, very nice way.
咁今次咧就即係咧都係夾硬拖佢走，不過今次就好好嘅，帶佢走。
After then when they left me, that time he told, so I went inside of the body. After then I woke up.
佢之後咧，我就翻返入自己身體裏邊啦，醒過嚟啦。
They already gone from there.
佢哋已經離開咗嗰度啦。
Then he woke up after a few days, so he is right.
咁之後幾日之後咧，佢醒過嚟啦。
He thought, so I came back from Jamlok.
佢話我真係從即係閻羅王嗰個地府嗰處翻嚟。
So I never stay in my house, so I am going out.
佢話咧，我永遠都唔會住喺我屋企裏邊，我要離開啦。
In this way, he came in temple, then he got initiations, now become brahmacharis.
咁佢就係咁樣嘅時候咧，就嚟到廟嗰處啦，啟迪咗啦，而家咧就成為咗精手生。
Also he took sannyas, so now sannyasi.
而家咧佢係做咗神丫士嘅，做咗氣絕針。
So in Bengal,
有大家拉嗰度
other
嘅，
person.
其他人啊。
So there also he come back Jamlok.
佢係從閻羅王嘅星球嗰處翻嚟。
So there have Jamlok and Jamdut coming and they are catching.
有閻羅王嘅即係陰曹鬼出嚟到係捉佢個靈魂。
Also I have gone one place, but that is another time I am saying no now.
而家今次唔講，有另外一個故事，下次先講俾你聽。
Yes, continue.
But there are, so Brahmachari, Jamlok already have, like in newspaper wrote in India, one time one Muslim driver,
講到有一次喺印度咧，有一次有個回教徒嘅司機，
he has gone on the forest jungle on the way.
佢入咗個森林裏邊啦。
There are he had seen, so there are so many tulsi plants.
佢見到有好多桃蘭樹、tulsi樹。
But Muslim they never believe tulsi, so already he has gone, so he is going toilet, sitting there.
咁咧就啲回教徒佢又唔相信 tulsi 㗎，佢已經去到嗰度咧，喺度方便啦，即係。
So at that time when he is going toilet, so at that time one pig come there.
咁當時咧佢咧就喺樹即係大解或者小大解嘅時候咧，咁一隻野豬係嚟到啦。
Then he used to pick Ram, haram.
佢咧就喺度同隻豬咁樣講 haram， 即係好厭惡嘅意思。
At that time also Jamdut came.
咁當時咧亦都係陰曹鬼將都到嚟啦。
They want to catch him. At once, one person told, so he is falling on the tulsi plant.
咁咧就陰曹鬼將佢俾啲野豬攻擊啊嘛，咁陰曹鬼差唔多要死咁就陰曹鬼捉佢走嘅時候咧，其中一個咁樣講嘅話咧，佢而家掂到呢個 tulsi 喎。
Already he spoke to haram.
再加埋咧，佢講呢個字 haram 嘅意思
Means haram.
係 haram，
See Ram's name.
係主 Ram 嘅名字。
Very powerful, very strong. In this time we are taking to Jamlok, then Jam Maharaj will be angry.
咁咧，佢呢個係好有力量嘅，有 tulsi 咧，有 Ram 嘅名字啦。如果我帶呢個人嘅靈魂去見閻羅王嘅話咧，閻羅王可能會遷怒於我哋嘅喎。
Much better I we asked to Jom Maharaj, if he is saying, oh, you can bring,
咁不如
then
我
we will take.
咁不如我哋問咗閻羅王先啦嚇，咁之後咧就係先決定咧帶唔帶佢翻落去嘅。
At that time, so they went from there.
之後咧佢哋真係陰曹鬼啫，真係從嗰處離開咗啦。
Then that man, so he stand up, then he get up, then he looked, so already he is falling on the tulsi.
咁呢個人咧佢即係醒過嚟啦，望一望，而家發覺自己原來咧即係跌咗喺啲 tulsi 上面。
Then he was very surprised, so I am falling in tulsi. Also I used to pig haram haram, but Hindu people they are saying haram haram. Always they are chanting Ram Nam, and always they are worshipping, praying to Tulasi.
咁佢時候咧，佢能夠個心裏上諗一諗啦，即係我俾啲野豬攻擊我啦，而家我就倒喺呢啲 tulsi 上面。但係信印度教嘅人嚟講咧，佢哋經常都念誦 Haram 主 Haram 嘅名字嘅，同埋佢哋咧去崇拜呢個圖拉樹呢個聖樹嘅。
So Tulasi is very powerful, very strong.
tulsi 都係好有力量㗎。
So Jamduta already gone.
咁啲陰曹鬼都走咗啦。
In this way he came soon and sit and driving and he went his house.
咁呢個司機又好快咧，匆忙咧翻返自己嘅車嗰處咧，就揸翻車翻去自己屋企嗰度。
At once he went one Hindu house and took one tulsi plant.
立即去到一個話印度人嘅教嘅人屋企嗰處咧，攞咗棵 tulsi 翻去。
Then his house, so he sit catch the tulsi plant. In this way, always chanting Ram 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 Ram.
就係咁樣最先嘅回教徒都咧，佢經常對住呢個 tulsi 咧係唱用 Ram 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 嘅名詞。
Then Hindu people thought, oh, what happening? Why he took tulsi?
咁啲信印度教人就諗咧，點解佢呢個人攞 tulsi 翻去咧咁樣？
So he told, so he asked to him, so what happening? Please tell me.
佢哋啲人就問佢咧發生咩事，請你講俾我知。
Then he told his katha, his story. So Jamdut came. Very soon they will come. They will take me. In this way I am prayed. I am chanting Ramna and I am catching Tulsi. Jamdut not coming.
佢話咧，即係我見到啲陰曹鬼捉啦，同埋但係我念呢個 Ram Ram 名字，佢哋就冇捉到我啦。
The Hindu people was very heavy. He told, okay, I am bringing so many Tulsi plants. I am putting here.
咁啲嘅印度教人就好高興啦，佢話咧，我哋攞 tulsi 俾你啦，攞多啲俾你。
He planted there so many tulasi. Then he told you every day you can give water and pray to tulasi. And Jamdut not coming, so you can chant.
佢哋講仲有好多 tulsi 喺樹啦，淋水啦，同 tulsi 祈禱嘅話咧，咁陰曹鬼咧就唔會嚟騷擾你㗎啦咁樣。
So newspaper wrote this story, this theory. So always he is chanting Ram Nam. He told, I no need for namaz, no need for Allah. So I am chanting Ram Nam, I am praying Tulasi, this is my life.
佢話我生命以後就會係咁樣㗎啦，喺tulsi祈禱啦，唱住主啦嘅名字啦，咁樣我唔需要崇拜阿拉啦咁樣。
So Kapil Dev told to Mata Devhuti.
講翻《博家經》第3篇，及邊啲同佢母親地話好似咁樣講。
So they are living in Jamlok, hellish planet.
有啲人佢哋去到呢個陰曹鬼呢個星球啦，閻羅王嘅星球。
After short times they come return.
然之後佢哋好短時間翻嚟。
They are coming on the cloud.
佢哋去到雲朵上面㗎。
Also, who has gone in moon planet, so also they are coming in the planet, in the sky, in cloud.
咁無論係從地獄星球，即係閻羅王嗰度上去雲朵嗰啲靈魂啊，或者啲靈魂係來自呢個月亮嘅咧，佢哋大家都一齊集咗喺呢個雲朵上面嘅。
When this rain water come,
當天上落雨嘅時候咧，
then in the rain water, so all souls they are coming in the earth planet.
咁咧，當落雨嘅時候，所有啲靈魂咧，無論來自下邊嘅啦，來自上面嘅靈魂咧，全部咧通過呢個雨水咧，都嚟到呢個地球呢一處啦。
There are so many grasses, insects, trees, creepers, and water creatures, earth creatures. So many kinds they are taking birth.
喺呢個大地上面嚟講就係咁樣啦，好多嘅草啊、昆蟲啊、各種唔同嘅物種嘅生命咧，全部咧通過咁樣嘅程序咧去投生㗎啦。
Unlimited souls.
無盡咁多個靈魂從嗰度降雨落嚟。
Also, everyone drinking water in this way, souls going inside.
亦都係通過咁樣，譬如人飲水嘅時候咧，啲靈魂都係通過飲水咧入咗呢個身體裏邊嘅。
already they want to take what is in this way they are hitting body, mind, knowledge, everything.
咁咧就啲靈魂本身已經想人哋去投胎啦，就係咁樣，佢哋咧係一進入咗個身體裏邊啊。
Unlimited souls, they have only one process when they are going mother womb, and that time so will be baby. In this way they will take birth.
無盡咁多個靈魂啊，但係只係得一個靈魂咧能夠進入到呢個母親腹中裏邊啦嚇嘅時候咧，咁樣佢先可以出生啦。
Otherwise, no any process, no other process.
再冇其他嘅程序㗎啦。
In this way, very rare this human life.
咁因為咁嘅緣故咧，能夠投生為人咧係一個非常之係難得嘅機會嚟㗎。
So many persons they are waiting, but they cannot take birth.
好多人咧，佢哋咧好心情咁去爭取，但係都仍然唔能夠出生。
So in this way, Kapil Dev told Oma, Labdhva Sudurlabha Vidam, very rare this human life.
咁由此嘅時候咧，主及俾你哋同佢母親地話好似咁樣講嘅話咧，呢個人類生命係非常之係稀有㗎。
Also in mother womb, 1 month, then one small size pind.
同埋咧喺呢個母親嘅腹中裏邊嘅時候咧，嗰個嘅受孕嘅過程係懷孕嘅過程係咁樣。開頭嘅時候咧，個身體好細，好似一粒豆咁大粒嘅啫。
And 4 months, then head, hands, legs coming.
到4個月嘅時候咧，先至開始有頭啦、手啦同埋腳。
In the 6 months, already complete body.
到6個月嘅時候咧，個身體咧已經係完全咧係成咗形㗎啦。
In 7 months, that time have knowledge come.
到第7個月嘅時候咧，就開始有知覺啦。
Before when they are coming on the cloud, at that time they become senseless.
當啲靈魂最初係從呢個即係天上嘅雲朵落到嚟嘅時候咧，佢開頭咧係完全無知無覺㗎。
Then they are coming and going, moving everywhere, they don't know.
啲靈魂就係喺咁嘅情況之下咧，就算去過咩地方都好咧，佢都咩都唔知㗎。
When sense come, knowledge come in 7 months, at that time they remember previous 100 lives.
咁當佢7個月嘅大嘅時候咧，佢啲知覺開始有知覺嘅時候咧，佢能夠當時佢記翻起先前自己100世裏邊所做嘅嘢。
Also, Kapil Dev told in mother womb have baby, male body, then right hand will be heavy.
佢話
Right side already will be heavy and right side, so baby already healing.
佢話咧就如果係 B B 喺肚裏邊嘅時候嚟講咧，如果係男仔嚟講咧，佢嘅身體喺右邊會覺得會重啲嘅，個 B B 已經開始係即係踢個媽媽㗎啦。
If female body girl can, then left hand, left side will be heavy.
如果個係裏邊嘅係女嘅話咧，媽媽個左邊就會覺得好重啲嘅。
After 8 months to 8 to 10 months, pressure by pressure air, in this way they are taking birth.
好啦，由大概8個月至到10個月度啦，佢就會出世㗎啦。咁咧嗰時候咧就通過一股身體嘅壓力咧，將呢個 B B 推出呢個母體㗎。
If pure persons, pure devotees, they are praying to God, otherwise they cannot remember.
只係咧係如果係純粹嘅奉獻者嚟講咧，佢哋向神祈禱嘅話，佢哋能夠記得呢啲嘢㗎。
Always they are feeling pains in womb.
佢哋喺身體裏邊咧，子宮裏邊嚟講，經常感覺到痛楚㗎。
When they are taking birth at that time forgot, so in this way they are crying.
佢哋咧喺出生過程嘅時候咧，佢哋即係好痛苦，所以經常喺度哭求。
But slowly have knowledge, but slowly forgetting behind.
但係咧，雖然有咁嘅知覺都好咧，慢慢會忘記咗嘅喎。
So here in the material life, so each other have love and affection, so many kinds. When see, then forgot behind everything forgot.
咁咧喺呢個物質世界裏邊嚟講，因為人與人之間有好多啲感情啊、交往等等啦，呢啲快樂啦，咁令到佢忘記咗咧喺一個肚腹裏邊嗰啲嘅經驗。
Here all are mine, in this way will be happy, everything they are getting, and love and affection.
佢覺得喺呢個世上嚟講咧，我係非常之係心滿意足嘅，一切嘢都係屬於我嘅啦，我亦都得到咧我應得嘅感情啊、愛等等嘅嘢。
So subtle body never dies, subtle body always have.
咁所以有一點就係話咧，精微身體咧永遠都唔會死亡啊，永遠都會有精微嘅身體嘅。
So previous life, what is subtle body have, this life already have.
咁所以前
Same body.
世嘅精微身體係點樣嘅話咧，今世嘅精微身體會繼續落去嘅。
In this way, this physical body already changed, but mind, knowledge, everything have what is previous life, what he did, everything same mood, same culture, same nature, same knowledge, everything come this life.
咁所以咧，前世有啲咩嘅精微身體啦，有啲咩嘅智慧等等嘅嘢嚟講咧，本質等等嘅嘢咧，今生會繼續落去㗎。
If sense in your life gone, in this way again they are getting bad associations.
如果係前世亦即係有感官享樂嘅生命啦，今生嘅時候咧，亦都接受咗一啲不良聯誼嘅話咧，
Then again taking sense enjoy.
再次去享受感官享樂嘅話咧，
Also in this way, here also hells and heaven both are have here.
咁同時咧喺呢個地球上嚟講咧，即係天堂地獄都係喺呢處都有嘅。
Somebody feeling hells, somebody feeling heavens.
喺呢個地球上，有人感覺就係天堂，有人感覺就係地獄。
So Kapil Dev told, here is heaven, here is hells.
咁 Kapil Dev 講到咧，呢度又有天堂，又有地獄㗎。
Also there hell, but here is heaven, here is hell.
亦都有即係天堂，但係呢處天堂亦都有地獄。
In this way, who has great mind, got sadhu associations, or by chance anyway followed to sadhu or any sukriti.
咁所以咧喺呢一處咧，如果任何人咧佢好聰明、好智慧啦，或者佢有聖人嘅聯誼啊，或者係點樣都好啦，有通過善行等等都好啦。
And Bhagavan give bliss, Lord Krishna give bliss to him.
如果係巴加灣主 Krishna 俾佢祝福嘅話咧，
In this way, they left all material religion and all material things. They have pure mood to sadhu and Guru Vaishnava and Sri Krishna.
由此嘅時候咧，佢哋咧能夠係專心一致啦，對靈性導師、對 Krishna 啦對聖人咧有專心一致嘅心髓喺度啦，純粹嘅心髓。
They are living in family life everywhere, but they are getting liberation.
佢哋咧，縱使係會喺呢個家庭生活當中都好啦，但係咧佢哋都會得到解脫嘅。
They are following one point mood to Sri Krishna.
佢哋咧係有咗呢種對 Krishna 咧專心一致嘅心髓嘅。
So this is only one process.
咁所以呢個程序只係一個嘅啫。
This is called Sankhya Yoga.
呢個叫做咧係數論瑜伽 Samkhya Yoga。
Sankhya Yoga. Sankhya means how many parts in body.
Samkhya 即係所以叫數論啊，即係一個身體嚟講有幾多部分去數啊。
So there are all total, so soul and super soul, we have each other connections.
咁佢哋講到咧呢個嘅係我哋個靈魂咧同埋超靈咧，我哋之間係有個聯繫係響樹嘅。
When super soul going out, that time is soul already going.
咁當個超靈一離開呢個身體嘅時候咧，咁呢個微靈當時咧已經跟住㗎啦。
That time also your life going last.
咁呢個時候咧就係生命我哋嘅最末期㗎啦，尾聲㗎啦。
Then everything stop die.
咁一切咧就停止，人就死亡。
Also, super soul, soul and subtle body and your life all together going from this body.
咁當時咧就係話咧係超靈啦、微靈啦、精微身體啦，你自己生命咧全部咧都離開呢個身體。
Then body dying.
咁身體就咁樣死亡。
So Kapil Dev told to Mata, so no need to attachment in this family life. So leave him, no problem. Everything can live.
咁咧就俾呢同母親咁樣講，佢話喺呢個家庭生活嚟講咧，即係冇需要咧嚟到係有呢個依附係響樹，你可以活喺呢個家庭生活裏邊，但係唔需要有依附。
His mind, they are giving me happiness. Never think.
永遠都唔好諗啊！佢係屬於我㗎嚇，咁咧係佢俾到我快樂咁樣，從來都唔好咁樣諗。
So this is we are living together. This is one dream.
我哋之前活在一齊咧，好似有一場夢咁樣。
And we become happy. We are living together. We are taking enjoy everything. All a dream.
我哋一齊生活啦，我哋一齊去享樂嚟講咧，全部都係一場夢嚟嘅。
So there are then following to God, everything will okay.
跟住神嘅時候咧，一切就會 OK 噶啦。
So this is Kapil Devati Sanvad.
呢個咧就係咧係吉比拉啲嘅神物，佢嘅係即係訓詞。
After then Mata Devati already followed to Sri Krishna, then she forgot all things.
咁之後咧係乜地方 Devati 咧就去跟住 Krishna 一切忘記，佢忘記晒一切。
very pure mood, only 1 point mood, she forgot, she went to the Vishnu Lok.
一個好純粹嘅心水之下咧，佢就去到呢個 Vishnu 星球 Vishnu 度。
And Lord Kapil Dev, he went in Kapil Muni ashram near Ganga Sagar.
主及呢啲就去咗呢個Ganga Sagar 嘅地方。
Ganga Sagar in India.
喺印度 Ganga Sagar 嘅地方。
Bank of ocean.
喺呢個嘅係大海嘅岸邊㗎。
So Ganga is gone there and mixing in with the ocean.
咁嗰個地方係恒河啦，同埋呢個大海咧兩個地方咧係相接住嘅地方嚟㗎，Ganga Sagar就叫做。